Top 10. Most dangerous natural phenomena. 1. Hurricanes, typhoons. Hurricanes, known as typhoons in the Western Pacific and cyclones in the Indian Ocean, are colossal tropical storms fueled by warm ocean waters. Characterized by a low-pressure center, high winds, and heavy rainfall, hurricanes are categorized from 1 to 5 based on wind speeds. These formidable weather systems with wind speeds exceeding 74 mph, 119 km/h, can unleash destructive forces. Storm surges, flooding, and wind damage pose significant threats to coastal areas. Meteorologists utilize advanced tracking technology to predict their paths, providing crucial information for evacuation and preparedness measures. Despite advancements in forecasting, hurricanes remain formidable, natural disasters necessitating vigilance and readiness in vulnerable regions. 2. Earthquakes. Earthquakes, the result of tectonic plate movements beneath the Earth's surface, are sudden and powerful seismic events. The intensity of these ground-shaking occurrences is measured using the Richter scale, ranging from minor tremors to major quakes with catastrophic consequences. Earthquakes can lead to structural damage, landslides, and, in coastal regions, trigger tsunamis. The unpredictability of seismic activity makes early warning systems essential for public safety. Scientists employ seismometers and advanced technology to monitor fault lines, providing crucial seconds to minutes of warning before an earthquake hits, allowing for evacuation and preparedness measures. 3. Tornadoes. Tornadoes, formidable and destructive windstorms, emerge from severe thunderstorms, featuring twisting funnel clouds. These rotating columns of air can extend from the storm cloud to the ground. The enhanced Fujita EF scale classifies tornado intensity, ranging from EFO weakest to EF5 strongest, based on estimated wind speeds and potential damage. Tornadoes pose a significant threat, capable of causing widespread destruction by tearing through structures, uprooting trees, and hurling debris. In tornado-prone regions, early warning systems, community preparedness, and designated tornado shelters play a crucial role in safeguarding lives. 4. Volcanic eruptions. Volcanic eruptions are dramatic events where molten rock, gas, and ash are expelled from a volcano. The consequences can be severe, including pyroclastic flows, lava flows, and ash clouds. The Volcanic Explosivity Index, VEI, categorizes eruptions based on their intensity. These events pose significant threats to nearby communities, infrastructure, and air travel. Monitoring volcanic activity using seismometers and gas sensors, coupled with early warning systems, is crucial for minimizing the impact and ensuring the safety of residents in volcanic regions. 5. Tsunamis. Tsunamis, massive ocean waves with the potential for widespread destruction, are typically triggered by underwater earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, or landslides. These waves can travel across entire ocean basins, reaching coastal areas with tremendous force. Tsunamis pose a significant threat, causing devastating flooding, property damage, and loss of life. Early warning systems, equipped with seismic monitoring and ocean sensors, play a crucial role in providing timely alerts to coastal communities. Coastal preparedness, evacuation plans, and public education are essential components of minimizing the impact of tsunamis and safeguarding vulnerable populations. 6. Floods. Floods, the overflow of water onto normally dry land, can occur due to various factors such as heavy rainfall, storm surges, or rapid snowmelt. These natural disasters pose a substantial threat to communities, leading to property damage, displacement, and potential loss of life. Floods can unfold swiftly, underscoring the importance of early warning systems that provide timely alerts for evacuation and preparedness. Mitigating the impact of floods involves comprehensive floodplain management, resilient infrastructure planning, and community education. Effective land use planning, construction of flood defenses, and the establishment of evacuation routes contribute to minimizing the risks associated with flooding. Community awareness and preparedness efforts are crucial for enhancing the resilience of vulnerable regions to the impact of floods. 7. Lightning strikes. Lightning strikes result from the discharge of electrical energy between the atmosphere and the ground, producing a dazzling flash of light and intense heat. These natural phenomena can pose significant dangers, causing fires, injuries, and damage to buildings. Lightning is unpredictable, striking both in and outside of thunderstorms. To mitigate risks, it is essential to understand the science of lightning, adopt safety measures, and stay informed about weather forecasts. This includes seeking shelter during storms, avoiding open areas, and taking precautions to protect oneself from the potential hazards associated with lightning strikes. 8. Wildfires. Wildfires, uncontrolled fires that swiftly propagate through vegetation, are fueled by factors like dry conditions, wind, and flammable materials. These natural disasters pose a significant threat to ecosystems, homes, and human lives. Ignition sources can vary, ranging from human activities and discarded cigarettes to lightning strikes or sparks from power lines. Mitigating the impact of wildfires requires early detection, swift response, and coordinated firefighting efforts. Public awareness campaigns, responsible land management practices, and the implementation of fire prevention strategies, such as creating fire breaks and controlled burns, play crucial roles in minimizing the risks associated with wildfires. 9. Blizzards. Blizzards, intense winter storms marked by low temperatures, high winds, and heavy snowfall, present significant challenges to communities. Reduced visibility due to blowing snow can paralyze regions, disrupt transportation, and pose risks to human safety. Mitigating the impact of blizzards involves proactive measures such as winterizing homes, creating emergency kits with essential supplies, and staying informed about weather forecasts. Authorities issue warnings to encourage residents to stay indoors during blizzard conditions, emphasizing safety measures like avoiding travel, taking precautions against extreme cold, and ensuring heating systems are functioning properly. 10. Landslides. Landslides, abrupt movements of rock, soil, and debris down a slope, constitute a considerable hazard to communities and infrastructure. Triggered by factors such as heavy rainfall, earthquakes, or human activities, landslides can cause extensive destruction and pose risks to lives. Mitigating the impact of landslides involves a comprehensive approach, including understanding the geological risks, implementing effective land use planning, and establishing early warning systems. Public awareness campaigns, monitoring of vulnerable areas, and the adoption of erosion control measures contribute to building resilience in regions prone to landslides. Bonus 1. Solar flares. Solar flares, intense bursts of energy and radiation originating from the sun's surface, have the potential to impact Earth's technological infrastructure. These events, classified based on their X-ray intensity, can disrupt communication systems, affect satellite operations, and even pose risks to astronauts in space. Mitigating the impact of solar flares involves continuous monitoring of solar activity, space weather forecasting, and implementing protective measures for satellites and power grids. Researchers and space agencies work collaboratively to enhance our understanding of solar flares, improve forecasting accuracy, and develop strategies to safeguard technology from the effects of these solar phenomena. Bonus 2. Sinkholes. Sinkholes, abrupt collapses in the ground, result from the dissolution of soluble bedrock such as limestone or gypsum. These geological phenomena can pose significant risks to infrastructure and human safety. Sinkholes can form gradually or suddenly, and mitigating their impact involves monitoring geological conditions, implementing preventive measures, and conducting regular inspections. Understanding the underlying geological processes, employing techniques like ground-penetrating radar, and adopting land use planning strategies contribute to identifying and mitigating the potential risks associated with sinkholes.